Hello, first graders, and welcome back to your reading job for this week. It is a brand new week. Happy Monday. So we get a brand new reading story. We are in our Green Journeys book. So if you do not have your book, pause the video and go and get your Green Journeys book. All right, boys and girls, now that you have your book, please turn to page 42 and 43. That is where our story begins this week. Page 42 and 43. Let's start by talking about our learning target, boys and girls. Your job today, your learning target, is going to be to listen to and to read this first grade story. So you want to say, I can listen to and read this first grade story. So, what kind of story are we going to be reading today? We are going to be reading a realistic fiction story. And what that means is it's a made-up story, because fiction is a made-up story, but it could happen in real life. So it's realistic fiction. It's a real kind of made-up story. So things to be looking for in this story, boys and girls, are things that could really happen. Maybe they've happened to you. Or people that act like real people in real life. So this could happen, but we don't know that it has. Let's meet our author and illustrator. Author means he wrote the book. Illustrator means he drew the drawings or painted the pictures in the story. Today, it is one person. They are same, the author and the illustrator. So let's meet him, boys and girls.
Meet the author and illustrator, Raul Colon. As a little boy in Puerto Rico, Raul Colon was often very sick. He spent a lot of time inside drawing. He even made his own comic books. Today, Mr. Colon lives in New York and works as an artist and a writer.
Alrighty, boys and girls, let's get started with this story. As we read, you can follow along with the words on the screen, or you can follow along with your reading finger in your book. As you follow along in your book, tap each word as it is read.
The Storm. Written and illustrated by Raul Colon.
As we read this story, boys and girls, I'd like for you to use your picture power to help you understand.
Pop has come in. Look! He is wet. Tim and Rip ran to him. Tim, Rip, and Pop have fun.
I have a question, boys and girls. Who is Tim and who is Rip? Tim is the little boy and Rip is the dog. Did you use your picture power to figure that out? What do we also see on this page, page 46? Do you see something else? What is happening in the background of this picture? Mom and Dad are walking out the door. So why do you think Pop is there? He's probably there to watch Tim and Rip, right? Way to use that picture power, first graders.
Tim had to go to bed. What did Tim and Rip see? Tim hid in his bed. Rip hid too.
What did Tim and Rip see, boys and girls? Use your picture power.
Look what Pop had for Tim. Tim had a sip. Pop had a hug for Tim. He had a hug for Rip, too. Pop sat with Tim and Rip.
Alrighty, boys and girls, that is the end of our story for this week. Now it is your turn to go and read this story. Keep your eyes open for those sight words. Those words to know are hidden all through this story. Happy reading!